Hello everyone, my name is Manal and I've just completed the built-in deployment of a scoped application named Engagement Hub using Built Agent. So now let me give you a quick introduction about Built Agent. It's a now assist agentic AI tool designed to help us in building and deploying full stack application through a simple conversational interface using natural language prompts. So basically in short, Built Agent is a developer's buddy. And now coming to the subscription, user with a Now Assist for a creator license have unlimited access. Others will have limit of a 25 prompts per ServiceNow instance, and the PDI instances will offer 10 prompts. So now as a developer, I need to search ServiceNow IDE here in the navigation. I'll write ServiceNow IDE. So the moment I click it, it will navigate me here in the workspace. So this is the workspace where the built agent is embedded. Here in the built agent, we are supposed to give natural language prompts about the application design and a description about the purpose this application should serve. So I have built this entire application in total 5 prompts. So to begin with, my first prompt I gave this prompt. Here I've told the build agent that build an application called Engagement Hub to manage cultural events, CSR activities, town halls, meetings, recognition, program, anonymous feedback by the employees' birthday and anniversaries, and fundraising to support colleagues in a critical illness, and also find similar support group for wellness and learning. So after understanding my natural language prompt, this built agent started building my application, and at every step it is giving me the update also about the things it's developing in the backend. Like now the tables are created, dictionary, ACLs, business rule, all the scriptings and everything that it's doing in the backend, it will give me update at each step. Once the entire application will be built, it will ask my approval that whether I want to deploy this or not. So the moment I'll approve the deployment, it will give me the URL of the tables and the portal that it has built. So I'm not explaining about each prompt that I gave here. So the intent was to show that this is the workspace and this is the built agent and this is the place where we actually give the prompts, and this is how the built agent give us the update about things it is building in the backend. So now moving forward, I'll go to the backend. Here I'll show you the application menus and the modules. Engagement Hub. Okay, so this is the application menu. Here we have different modules. When we'll click on each of the module, we'll be able to see the tables and the data that will be created in this tables from the portal interface. So the data will be accessible to the HRs and the admin, except one table. So we have a table called anonymous feedback. So here whenever the user will submit anonymous feedback from the portal, like employee will submit, so this will trigger a notification to the member of the leadership group. So only the member of those group can access the data of this table, even the HRs cannot see. So this is about the data model and the schema. Now I'll also tell you one thing, the challenges that I experienced while building it. So I built this application on my fourth attempt because I was trying to refine my prompts to ensure that the app could be created in fewer prompts. So this required me to wipe the previous instance and claiming a new one again and again, so that I can build it again with a new set of 10 prompts. So additionally, in some attempts when the application was successfully deployed by the built agent, I was not satisfied with the UI and the UX that it actually built. So I asked the built agent to revert and modify to the previous UI or some new form of UI. So the result was not meeting my expectation. So I had to rebuild it again by rebooting the instance. But after resolving my challenges, I realized one thing, that no matter what, even the built agent is building it, it requires a human in loop to actually command it what to do, and keep on modifying until unless I as a user or a developer is not satisfied with the outcome. Okay, so now moving on to the next. So this is the portal interface this built agent has built for my application, which says Engagement Hub. Okay, so here I will walk you through the UI of the application. So it consists of the header, which displays the count of ongoing event, recognition, submitted feedback, etc. etc. Then at the top we have tabs for creating event. So here we can go inside this, we can, the HR can select any of the event type and create an event here. Then we have a recognition tab, so leaders and the managers can come here and can nominate any, a resource or an employee and select the recognition type. And based on the number of recognition employees are receiving, we have a widget in the dashboard which says, employee of the month. So here that employee which receives the maximum number of recognition will come as a, employee of the month here in the dashboard. Then we have this feedback tab. So here in the feedback also we have these, widget which actually shows us that how many feedback have been submitted, how many issues have been resolved. So we as an employee can come here and we can, select the category of feedback that we want to give, whether it's about the work culture, compliment, or a grievance, and we can put this entire subject in the feedback and submit it. And once we submit it, this feedback will go to the member of the leadership group and it will be anonymous, the name of the user will not be there. Then we have the support group tab. Here we can create a support group. We can also, create a fundraising campaign, to support any of our colleague if they are dealing with financial issues due to critical illness of themselves or their family members. So we can run a fundraising campaign, we can explain about the purpose, and we can define a target amount, the number of member we are trying to reach. And this is how the, fundraising campaign we can create here. Then we can create, other group types as well. If we want, if in a organization, if there are people who are like-minded, like, there are different artists there in the organization, so we can create a group where we can reach out to the people who are artists in the same company, and they can collaborate together. So this is how we can create different, group types here. Then going back to the dashboard, so this dashboard also have a quick link. So whenever we'll click to any of this quick action, it will quickly navigate us to the same form where we can actually submit the feedbacks and the recognition. Then at the bottom of this application, it says together we celebrate, support and grow. So this tagline actually tells the purpose of this entire application, for which we have built it to support the other colleagues, to celebrate birthdays and the anniversary and grow with them while being in the same group of, being an artist or a yoga and other things. And to summarize it whole, I believe, employee engagement is very, very important for the collaboration and building a culture in our organization where we have a continuous feedback system. And at last, I would like to thank the ServiceNow Built Agent product team for building this amazing feature and making life easy for many developers like me. So, thanks all.